Now, when you need massage therapy to manage your chronic muscle pains, this can also be a time where you need to come in very frequently over a short period of time to create the end results that you need. Come in once a week for 3 to 6 weeks consistently before going into a massage tune-up type schedule. Today, I wanted to take some time to answer questions that I find myself having to explain over and over again. The question is, how often should I be coming in for a massage? Not me, but you. How often should you be coming for a massage? I want to make sure that you know the basics to help you understand in greater detail of how to use massage as a strategy to keep your body functioning optimally. This question can have a simple and a longer, more detailed answer, but we're going to start with the simple one just to give you a general guide to help you with that understanding. So, you want to hear the longer version? Make sure you subscribe and tap on that bell icon to get notifications. When considering how often someone should get massage therapy, that really depends on one of two things. Is this a massage for a muscular tune-up, or is it a massage therapy session that has a goal, like when using medical massage to avoid surgery, or as a complement to physical therapy, or just managing your chronic muscular pains? This would be the best reason to get massage therapy at regular occurring intervals. Taking out the factor of getting a massage to feel good, like when you want to pamper yourself at a spa. There's nothing wrong with getting a massage to feel good, but that's not why I made this video. We're talking today about anyone who wants to use massage as a tool to help them live a better life. I know that there's a lot of you out there that want that because, something in a spa, you feel good. It's like having a beer. You don't really need to have a schedule on, when to have a beer. But when it comes to like car repair, that's something you should keep on a schedule. Massage for tuning up your body is something that I recommend to everybody who's a human and has a body like the one I have. If you put your conscience into a robot, maybe this doesn't apply for you. When in good health, maintaining that health is of the utmost importance because if not, over time the muscles stiffen, they get knotted, and then dysfunction happens in those muscles. And dysfunction, if it's not taken care of, is going to lead to injury, which means you are no longer healthy and you're going to have to do what I tell you in the next part of this video. Now, what I recommend for maintenance massage is based on what I've learned in the science of recovery, massage therapy, fitness, and the field experience I've gained working with clients. Ideally, to keep those muscles moving healthy and functioning well, then you want to make sure that you get in for a massage therapy session around every 6 weeks or so, give or take 2 weeks. That is, if you're sedentary to average in terms of your physical activity. If you have a job that's physically demanding like construction, a martial arts instructor, or a massage therapist like myself, then I personally recommend that you need a massage around every 2 to 4 weeks, or sometimes a bit more. 2 to 4 weeks? This might come as a surprise to some of you, but it's what you need to do so you don't get injured in your physically demanding job. I mean, in this reality, I ideally try to get a massage every other week just to keep my body optimal condition. Let me give you an idea of what I do. Around 5 days a week, I can massage people for about 4 to 8 hours during the course of that day. Not straight, but any day. And that's including a bike ride to the office normally and getting some strength training in around 3 times a week. It's honestly how in my 30s, moving into my 40s, I perform better and in less pain than guys who are 25 years old. It's all about the proper maintenance to keep those muscles healthy and slow down the aches and pains you feel like you're getting from just being old. By the way, if you're enjoying this content, don't forget to press down on that like button and also make sure you press subscribe if you haven't done so by now and continue this fitness and wellness journey with me. Now, getting massage therapy to achieve a specific outcome or goal, then you're going to have to be more dedicated and more consistent with the frequency of your massage therapy treatment sessions. When you fall into this category, it's usually because you're in physical therapy. Physical therapy is great for injury recovery and avoiding surgery. The exercise in physical therapy will strengthen weak muscles, but exercise cannot reduce scar tissue, realign fascia, remove muscle knots and trigger points, or take the tension out of a chronically tight muscle. Doing what I mentioned requires the use of a well-trained massage therapist who can provide a medical massage therapy treatment. Sometimes your physical therapist might massage you, but their hours of education and massage are not even close to the massage therapy training your massage therapists have. I've talked to a physical therapist in New York about their massage training, and they tell me at best they get like a quarter to a third of one semester of training, while New York massage therapists have multiple semesters learning about massage at the college level. So when you combine the forces of physical therapy and massage therapy, that's ideal. And I've seen improved results from doing it this way than just one modality alone. When massage therapy is combined with physical therapy, you usually have the physical therapy first in the day or the week, and then have your massage therapy session after. Ideally, in cases like this, you want to get the massage therapy session to complement the physical therapy. During that time frame, you want to get massage therapy once to twice a week. It might seem like a lot, but those are the results you need, and you're going to get physical therapy probably 2 to 3 times a week at least. I believe that it's a great thing to combine modalities and create a multiplier effect. Maybe it's because as a boy, I grew up playing video games, but I really can appreciate the outcome that happens when you use multiplier effects. Now, when you need massage therapy to manage your chronic muscle pains, this can also be a time where you need to come in very frequently over a short period of time to create the end results that you need. You can fall in this category for a number of reasons. Let's go over a few. Maybe it's because in 2020 you had to stay at home and you weren't moving, you weren't in your normal routines, so chronic pain in the muscles is built up, or you've been ignoring a muscle ache for way too long, and over time it's gained strength, or it's also made muscles in the local area feel tight, or you wake up same muscle pain in the same area. You know you're not injured, but if you don't do something about it, you're going to get injured. These are cases where you gotta really follow my orders. And what my orders are is that you come in once a week for 3 to 6 weeks consistently before going into a massage tune-up type schedule. And I say this because in some cases a 90-minute or even 120-minute medical massage is not going to get you 100%. It'll get you like from a 9 out of 10 in terms of pain to maybe a 5 out of 10 or a 6 out of 10 in pain. But it's because the muscle had too much time being dysfunctional. It takes forever for it to undo, or you have too many spots that are related that need specific care. So what you want to do is come in with that frequency in a short amount of time so that we could progress those muscular imbalances and undo them, because if not, it's going to gain strength over time. And you do not want those muscular imbalances to have the opportunity to redevelop themselves because you took too long between sessions. This is something that when you do it for those like 3 to 6 weeks, you're going to have a whole new level of a healthier baseline. Then from there, you can go into a proper tune-up schedule. Now that you understand better how often you should come in for a massage, if you think anyone could benefit from this video, make sure you share the video with this person and help spread the knowledge in this video. And if you don't know anybody, then just click on the videos that appear just to my left, your right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.